Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to connect Outlook Calendar on Calendly. Outlook Calendar is a product of Microsoft which will help you manage your time efficiently and provide you seamless experience. To connect Outlook Calendar on Calendly, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.calendly.com. Then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Calendly. Now, to connect your Outlook calendar on Calendly, you need to first log in. For that, you need to click on login option on top. Now here, you need to enter your email address that you have used to create your Calendly account on the left side. After this, click on login option. Then you'll be directed to another page. Now here you need to enter your correct password of your account. After this, click on continue option. Then you'll be logged into your Calendly account, and now here you can see event types. Now here you can see your profile on the top right corner. Click on your profile. Then under account settings you can see calendar sync. Click on calendar sync. After this, here you can see different types of calendars that you can select. Now look for Outlook Calendar. Then click on Connect option on the side of Outlook Calendar. With this, now here you need to log into your Microsoft account so that you can connect your Outlook Calendar. For this, you can enter your email address or phone number that is associated with your Microsoft account. Then click on Next option. With this, now here you need to enter the correct password of your account to log in. Or you can also use email code on your email address to sign in. After doing so, click on sign in. Now here you need to let Calendly get permission so that it can access to your Microsoft and your Outlook calendar data. So click on accept option on down. After this, your Microsoft account will be connected to Calendly. As you can see here, my Outlook calendar has been added to my Calendly account. This is how we can connect Outlook calendar on Calendly. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.